This is a used 2008 Ford Expedition, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, trailer hitch, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Riverhead Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1419-23 Old Country Road, Riverhead, New York 11901.